Yes, mathematics. Mathematics, it will divide in three parts: arithmetic, algebra, geometry. So, arithmetic, we have to discussion numbers, and algebra, numbers with letters, geometry, shapes and angles. So, today our topic polynomials. That polynomials, it will come to algebra. Again, algebra will two parts: constants and variables. What is the constants? Means numbers. Any number 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. These numbers are called to constants. Variables. Any number whose value varies with condition. Suppose here, let one example, x cube plus x square plus and so on. This is a polynomial. Next, polynomials in one variables. First one, polynomials one variable. One variable means example. You can take any example, 2x or 2x square plus 1. Here you can see both example, only one variable is there. So this is called a polynomials in one variable. Next, one more, polynomials in two variables. Example, 2xy or 3xz or 7x square y square. You can see three examples. You can observe here x, y, x, y, x, y is there. Either you can take any letters, no problem. A to Z, any letter you can take. But two variables only is there. That is called a polynomials in two variables. Next, one more, polynomials in three variables means 2x square, y square, z square or 3xyz. See these two examples you can observe, x square, y square, z square. Here x, y, z is there. How many variables are there? Three variables are there. So this is polynomials in three variables. Now algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. You can take one example, x square plus 2x plus 1. Algebraic expression means here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 terms are there. Okay. Go. So this is one algebraic expression. Here mathematical symbol is there. So now you can observe this equation, this polynomial. Here three terms are there. So suppose x square coefficient they are asking means x square coefficient. What is the coefficient? The constant value that has been written just before the variable in a term. So just before the variable in term, you can see x square beside. Beside means here. Beside. Here not there any number. So this coefficient is 1. Suppose they will give minus means including mathematical symbol you can write. Okay, isn't clear? This is for coefficient of algebraic expression. Next, one more example. 9xyz. Coefficient of z they are asking means. So z beside what number is there you can write. Z coefficient. What they are asking? Coefficient of z. Coefficient of z means you can see z beside what there, that only you can write. This is the coefficient. Numerical coefficient means numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. So here numerical means number. 9xyz. What is the number? 9. So this is called a numerical coefficient. Next. Go. Next concept. It's very important. Monomials. Monomial means with one term is called a monomial. A polynomial with one term is called monomial. Example 2xyz. See here, this is single term is there. This is called a monomial. Next, binomial. Binomial. A polynomial with two terms is called a binomial. A polynomial, two terms are called a binomial. Example 2x square y square plus 3x square, that like. See here, this is one term, this is one term. How many terms are there here? Two terms are there. So this is binomial. Next, trinomial. Next, trinomial. Trinomial. A polynomial has three terms is called a trinomial. Suppose example 2x square y square plus 3x plus 7. So this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. This like three terms having means this is trinomial with mathematical symbol. Compulsory mathematical symbol is next. Go. Degree of a polynomial. So degree of a polynomial, the highest power of a variable in a term. The highest power of a variable in a term. Take one example here, x cube plus 5x to the power of 4 plus 7x square. Power here 2 is there. So 2 is the highest power in this polynomial? No. Suppose 3 also is there. 3 you can take. 3 also? No, it's not a power of polynomial. So next 4 is there. So highest power of polynomial in this polynomial 4. So degree is equal to 4. So what is the degree of polynomial? Means the highest power of a variable in a term. Next, types of a polynomials. Next one, types of a polynomial. Polynomials. First one, linear polynomials. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means highest power of 1. One power is there means that type of polynomials calling to linear polynomial. Example 2x plus 3y plus 2. So here you can see a polynomial 1 only is there. So this type of polynomial calling to linear polynomial. Next, second one, quadratic polynomial. Second one, quadratic polynomial. So power is, degree is 2 is there means that type of polynomials are calling to quadratic polynomial. Degree 2. Example x square 2x plus 2. Here you can see x square. X square means degree 2 is there. So this type of like polynomials are calling to quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomials means degree 3 is there means that type of polynomials are called cubic polynomials. Example x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 1. So here degree 3 is there. So this type of polynomial are calling to cubic polynomials. Next, yes, types of polynomials. Linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials. It's over. Next, more than 3 is there means degree more than 3 is there means the type of polynomials are called to polynomials. By quadratic polynomials, but it's not necessary now. That is, we are using higher section. Now this much 3 polynomials enough. More than 3 is there means that is a polynomials. Okay.